We have officially reached the statistical heart of quality management. This week, we shift from management frameworks to the actual math that allows us to prove whether a process is in control or not. We'll be tackling two heavy hitting chapters this week. Chapter 5, Statistics. This is your foundation. We will be looking at data distribution and the logic behind the numbers. Chapter 6, Variable Control Charts. This is where we take that data and plot it to see the voice of the process. So let's take a look here. Let's come down to week 3 and we'll open that up. And we have the week 3 guidance and success tips videos. And as a reminder, you're required to watch this video before the chapter quiz and exams will become available. I recommend you use the winning strategy for this week's study materials. You have the audio vision. You can stream this during your commute or chores to absorb the frameworks or repetition. The video lecture, you can watch the video along the chapter slides to look at the technical details before starting the homework. Both of those are very helpful study aids, but remember, you need to read the chapters in the e-textbook here because that's where the questions on the chapter will be taken directly from. And if you have interest in additional study materials, we've got the PowerPoints for Chapter 5 and Chapter 6. And that brings us to the homework Chapter 5 study materials. Okay, this will focus on statistics that you'll need for evaluation. And again, we'll have a worksheet here. You need to go through. You'll need to complete this worksheet before you take the Homework C5 quiz. You have the Homework C5 quiz. You can take this as many times as you want to earn 100%, but it is time limited to 60 minutes. Then we have the quiz for Chapter 5, and the material will come directly from the textbook, and you may take it one time, and you're limited to 15 minutes, so be ready to take that when you begin. The homework materials for Chapter 6, you need to review the X-bar control chart video here, and you'll have a worksheet that you need to complete before you take the Homework C6 quiz. The Homework C6 quiz, you may take that as many times as you want to earn 100%, and it is time limited to 60 minutes. And as a reminder, you can see the Homework C5 answers and the Homework C6 answers after the due date. So you need to complete the worksheets, take the quiz, and then you can check your answers after the due dates. What are they talking about? 5 is on aluminum extrusions. This is a continuous process where the consistent dimensions are everything. What are they talking about? 6 deals with CNC machining. It is the gold standard for precision. As a manager, you need to understand how these automated systems maintain quality and where variables can still creep in. With the what are they talking about? You may take them up to 4 times, and I will record your highest score. And the target concept video. This will apply to our chapter topics and real-world management scenarios. You may take it up to 4 times, and I will record your highest grade. We have the case study this week. This is where you apply the plan, do, check cycle to a real-world scenario, a vital skill for any quality professional. So let's take a look at it. We'll open this up. So we'll click on that, and we'll open the view instructions. And in the instructions here, you will see a video. This will give you guidance on how to perform the task and put together the report that you're required to do. Here is the case study assignment. So if you open that up, that will give you the information that you'll be dealing with. It will also give you what you need to complete and what items need to be put into the report that you're going to complete. And down here, this is the PCDA case study report outline. Now, if you've never done a professional business report, this will be very helpful. You don't have to use this, but this way you'll be assured that you have at least touched on every item that is required. So I'm going to open that up. And you'll see here that it gives you a format here. It's not going to tell you what's going to be in it specifically, but it's going to tell you what information you need to include. And so if you go through and you follow this format, you'll have a very professional looking report that you can submit. And I think that's all I have for instructor guidance this week. You can contact me using messages or by email, myers-d@mssu.edu.